Here is how to buy NFTs on Blur step by step. First, go to blur.io on your browser. Blur works best on Chrome and supports Ethereum-based NFTs. Click Connect Wallet in the top right and link your MetaMask or Coinbase wallet or any supported Web3 wallet. Once connected, you'll see trending collections on the homepage. Use filters to explore by floor price, volume, or recent activity. Click into any collection to view all listed NFTs. Hover over any item to see instant details like price, rarity, and owner. When you find one you like, click Buy Now. A pop-up will appear showing the gas fee and total cost. Click Confirm and approve the transaction in your wallet. After the transaction, the NFT will appear in your wallet. You can view it under Portfolio on Blur or OpenSea. And that's how you buy NFTs on Blur. Fast, gas efficient, and perfect for pro-level NFT traders. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.